Pirate Lopez, look at those dark clouds. The weather report says it's going to be bright and windy today. He actually prefer when it's sunny and warm.
Knows that is no is winning day. Moment, what do you usually do and do you play poker?
Not at all. I don't play sports very often. Sometimes play cheats woods only lately. She's very confident and hardworking.
I love play. It's personal. Actually, um, um, my somewhere darkness
When you open our new shop, do you like literature or politics more?
and policy is just I prefer to tell about at and culture I read about Latin American with Latin
That's great. You seem like a creative person. Marco Torres. He's also very generous and funny.
thing. Yes, I Thomas or
Exactly. And he's always talking about his travel plans. His favorite destination, which food court over playing chess.
stars. Your diets
Good. And I will go with food court over playing chess.
would you small you said I'm more big because I
Of course, tennis and work is not as fun as maybe what you think.
I know I live for example lovers too I only
I don't think so. Bowling is fun when you go with friends.
what we really want there is sure letters
Let's look at this brooch is so difficult to completely.
Andres would you say that tablets their address places
Young men actually don't they feel it.
yes good you say small places
Actually, they feel it is a particular formation.
that you say I still knows very good with toaster
No problem. You'll hit it bricks over. Let's head back to work.